Any organisation will be smart enough to know that they don't know the answers to everything, but actually there's synergies by talking to others. Others may have already tried it before. It's amazing what we find being duplicated in organisations, and each one finding it doesn't work. But when you're running a collaboration like this, you only have to do it wrong once.
We're an open access, collaborative innovation centre specific to pharmaceutical manufacturing. And that means that we work with lots of partners specific to pharmaceutical manufacturing to deliver innovation that drives new processes, new products into pharma.
One of the key objectives of this Innovation Centre is to prove technology being used in manufacturing at a small scale, which can then be replicated at a larger scale as you want to maybe produce more for a clinical trial or for commercial manufacturing. So it's about really proving how technology can be embraced to be able to scale up.
Well, we've got at least 30 partners. We cover pharmaceutical companies, we work with tech companies, equipment manufacturers, everybody and anybody who has got a piece of technology that can help the industry.
Siemens has been working alongside CPI and also the other partners on delivering things like digitalisation, automation, cybersecurity, the list goes on, any technology which is involved in the production of medicines really.
The relationship with Siemens and the partnership has been fantastic. The team have enabled us to flip-flop between being a commercial customer and being a driver of innovation and wearing multiple different hats between ourselves, essentially working in collaboration in the truest sense, and we've been able to deliver some really cool new innovation.
So we have 4 grand challenges at the moment. The first one is continuous direct compression. That's making tablets continuously rather than using batch blenders. Our second grand challenge is all about providing materials for clinical trial. Our third grand challenge is a really interesting one. It's the oligonucleotides program, and that is trying to significantly reduce the carbon footprint of oligonucleotides. And then our fourth challenge is the digital challenge. And what we're doing there is collaborating with a range of people to create some standard architectures which allow the factories to build consistently.
One of the key challenges for pharmaceutical companies, but any company I think, when they're looking at adopting digitalization are the concerns about cybersecurity. It's a little bit of an unknown sometimes, and we've been able to demonstrate here some of the different steps that need to be taken and some of the different standards that need to be embraced to ensure that a production facility, which is really embracing digital technology, is cyber secure.
The centre's helping through the fact that we've got a building that looks like a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant, which is somewhere where you can come, see, touch it, poke it, as well as a group of skilled people from a research background as well as an industry background who know what it means to deliver products in industry. Combining those together with our partners, we can deliver a vision of the future that people can come, they can see, and then they can pick up and drop into their institutions, their organisations and their companies.